So you've been looking for online-based opportunities and came across affiliate marketing, but you have no money. Well, stick around because in today's video, we're talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing with absolutely no money. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to the channel. And that's right, today we're talking about how to start with affiliate marketing with absolutely no money. That's right, $0 up front. You know, there's so many opportunities for people to start businesses online on the internet this day and age, and most of them do work. But today what we wanted to do was share an opportunity with those of you out there who are limited on monetary resources, and that would be affiliate marketing, guys. And the reason why we believe affiliate marketing is the best opportunity is because it's one that we believe everyone is already doing already. It's just that most people aren't aware that they can be getting paid for it. For example, right, you have you just bought a pair of jeans, right, and one of your friends, for you ladies out there, when your girlfriend say, hey, I like those jeans, where'd you get those from, right? And you tell them the store and they go out and buy a pair of those jeans from that store, right? That's affiliate marketing, right? And you didn't understand or realize that you can actually get paid a percentage of that sale from that company if they have an affiliate program, all right? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing and what that is exactly, is basically it is, yes, getting paid a percentage, otherwise known as a commission, of a sale that you generate for a company that has a product or a service, all right? So basically you lead people to a company and that lead turns into a sale. That person buys a product or a service from that company and they will pay you out a percentage of the sale for leading them to a new customer, all right? So how do you get started with affiliate marketing for no money? Well, there's a couple steps I'm going to share, and I'm going to keep this short and sweet, guys. Step number one is to find, again, a product or a service, right? Boom, you have a product or a service. So what I like to say is look around you, look at your household, your office, and your business office, so on and so forth, all right? What are things that you're using or that you benefit from, right? For instance, in our office, we have these lights here, we have the camera, okay? So, I could sign up as an affiliate for companies, programs like Amazon Associates and lead people to get these lights or the camera that you're seeing this video from, right? And I can make a percentage of that sale, all right? So look around you, look for products or services that you're benefiting from. And there are some of you out there say, well, do you have to be using the products or services? You absolutely don't. There's things that, that I have promoted that I haven't personally found the use for, but that I know there's a great audience for. And based on my research and checking out reviews for whatever the product or service is, I have suggested it and recommended it to people, all right? So it doesn't necessarily have to be something that you personally have used or benefited from, but that there is a great amount of people who have definitely, in a positive way, benefited from, okay? So what you want to do, and the way you do this is maybe look around, again, your household, your office, something like that. What is a product or service you use? Do you have a computer or a laptop, right? What's the company? If it's an Apple product or service, right? Go to Google, and Google type in Apple affiliate program, okay? And if that company has an affiliate program, you Google whatever the company is and affiliate program next to it. If they have a program, it's going to pop up. Check it out. Most of them are free, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of sites out there, and most happen to be free for you to join their affiliate programs. You sign up, right? And when you do that, they'll basically provide you with a custom link that is linked to you, right? So every time you share that link with someone and someone goes to that link and makes a purchase, that company knows who directed them and led them to that sale, and therefore that's how you get paid your commission, right? So maybe it's something like I said, like a computer that you have at your office, right? I said some jeans for you ladies out there, even fellas, right? You might recommend somebody check out a store, you bought some jeans. What else? Maybe like a smartwatch, something of that sort. A service. What could be a service? A website building service, right? A site where they build websites or host websites, okay? There are all kind of platforms, all kind of services and products. I mean, again, look around, you'll find something to market and promote. Again, you just want to make sure that it's something that you or someone has benefited from, And ideally, you want to make sure that there's a large audience for this product or this service. It's not something where only 10 people are going to be interested in, right? You want to make sure, I suggest that there's people all around the world who would like to use this product or this service, or maybe they even need to. They just haven't seen the one that you're going to promote. All right. So that's step one, is to find a product or a service to promote. Get your affiliate links. Start sharing it. And so that leads us to step number 2. Step number 2, guys, is going to be traffic. What do I mean by traffic? Well, to get people to make purchases, you got to get them to see the product or the service. You got to get them to click on your link. So how are you going to do that? You're going to generate leads. You're going to generate traffic to this site, to these products and services. Now, this video is all about getting started with no money. And how do you do that? Well, you want to leverage some of the best traffic sources that exist today and that have ever existed in history, right? I.e. being social media, I suggest, right? Guys, most of the world has access to the internet. And a great majority of that, most of the world have access to the internet, is using social media, right? So when I say social media, I mean like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, right? Twitter. There are so many different platforms out there that exist. I can't name them all, right? But Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. These happen to be some of the biggest platforms. Now, one thing I suggest is you have to know your audience, right? And what I mean by know your audience is, where is your audience hanging out, guys? So where's your audience hanging out, right? Depending on what you're promoting, you want that will help you decide where your audience is hanging out. When you want to use social media, you want to leverage the platform where the most people looking for your product or service tend to be, right? So again, for this example, jeans, right? Jeans, when you see jeans, you have an image in your head, of if how these look on people, right? So if you're a female woman and you're promoting jeans, you want women to see how these jeans fit other women, okay? So that they can get it in their head how it might look on them. So you might use something like Instagram, right? IG for short, okay? Or maybe Pinterest. I don't know how to spell it. I'm just saying, you understand. Pinterest, if it's maybe some kind of service where you can talk about and share your experience with, you might use something like Facebook, right? FB for short. Okay. If it's something like I mentioned, or I thought of tools as another example, right? I know like companies like Home Depot have affiliate programs, right? So if you're somebody who wants to show people how a specific tool works, you might use something like YouTube, okay? Or even Facebook. You can maybe use IG and stuff like that, but I think more for like only imagery, those two are really good. More for like tutorials and explaining things, Facebook and YouTube might be a little bit better. If it's some kind of service for like professionals out there that they can benefit from, you might think something like LinkedIn, okay? So, but the point is, guys, you want to drive traffic. So these are your two steps to get going, guys. And with only these 2 steps and really honing in on these 2 things, you can start affiliate marketing with absolutely no money and start making money, okay? Now, of course, there are other things that you can do to really scale up your affiliate marketing business, where you can start buying ads and things like that. And we have other videos that talk about other methods on creating and generating traffic for affiliate marketing. Things like news platforms where they have like Q&As, right? Questions and answers. So you can go to websites like Quora.com, kind of like a newer and more modern Yahoo Answers. For those of you who out there who are familiar or remember Yahoo Answers, is a company or a site called Quora, Quora.com, where it's a question and answer site. So you can go in there and say, hey, if you're marketing, if you have a certain computer that you want to share and promote, you might go in there and look for questions about like, what is the best computer for this X type of use. So whatever the type of use it is, if you're somebody like a video editor, a copywriter, and you need certain computers or to run certain programs, certain computers, right? You might have people asking, well, what is the best computer for that, right? And you can go in there and share your opinion, your answer with people. And if your computer that you're promoting is something that they can benefit from, you might share that with them, okay? So you might say something like, hey, you know, I was in the same situation, and when I bought this computer, this is how I benefited from it, and I think it's amazing and great, right? And you could share the information or the link, or you might say, you know, you might create some kind of dialogue in which later on they ask you. But either way, guys, it's really simple. It's really basic in its nature. It's really not complicated. Like I said, everyone is already doing this. They're just not getting paid from it. So you can start doing that. All right. So this is what we believe, again, to be the best way to start making money online, making money with affiliate marketing with absolutely zero money up front. If you would like more information, you know, or see other videos like this, check out our channel again. If you have any questions about what we shared today, or you have some suggestions, please do let us know in the comments below, and share this video with other people, guys. Like it, let us know you got great value from it. And with that said, this is Brian with Revenue Pro Tips. Make sure you're following us on all the social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And that is it for today's video. We will see you soon. Peace.